Connected.
Oh my God. watch out if your enemies are broken head. A full prophecy to be the greatest beast the world has ever seen. I feed him every day with the bones clean. I feed him all the hate and he grows me. He gets close, but can't get lost quick. And if you cross in, you might drop dead. Metaphorically, of course, settling the shore. Never getting bored, loves the blood and gold. Always wanting more, getting from the source. They don't really understand until they feel like the party. The stars street can be hard, lives in the darkness. Torn apart quickly, as stars reach to be chewed up and discarded. And this world ain't right, won't accept it. Negative energy, I expect it. Once it's in your mind, it's infectious. So fight for your life and reject it. You better give me space, I'm protective. My adrenaline spikes when I'm threatened. And if you stay in my way, I'm aggressive. Cause when there's no exit, I'll kill when I'm desperate. Adrenaline pressure, it's stormy weather, lightning, thunder, pouring. I'm a go-getter, try to do it like me, but I do it better. I got a mind that's clever, the beast inside is competitive as ever. I'm conscious, my subconscious, an accomplice to me. I promise, the darkness, I can harness the beat. Cross me, I might lose control of the lost beast. So, walk away inside with the key control by fight or flight. And this world ain't right, won't accept it. Negative energy, I expect it. Once it's in your mind, it's infectious. So fight for your life and reject it. You better give me space, I'm protective. My adrenaline spikes when I'm threatened. And if you stay in my way, I'm aggressive. Cause when there's no exit, I'll kill when I'm desperate.